Fiona here. I just got a box and I'm just going to open it. So this is from the sale during the week that we had 10% off. And just get my one-handed scissors going because I'm actually holding the phone this time just to be different. Oh, there we go. So I didn't get too many things because I'm saving myself for the brochures, the new catalogues that are coming out. So I just put something on about that. And Stampin' Up always pack things nicely so that things don't get damaged. Bit of air. And I got some punches while they were 10% off. So that's the detailed trio punch, and this is handy because you can cut each corner differently. So you've got that, and then you've got the corner, a curved corner, and you've also got that fancy little one as well. That's really cute. And I got some circle punches. One, and oh, there, you can see me. You can see me. Hello. They're like mirrors, so you can put your lipstick on just before you're live. Okay. That's a good way to go, isn't it? That's the, it shows the picture, 1.5 inch circle punch. And we've got the 2-inch circle punch, same thing. That's the code. If you're looking for the codes, just let me know if you need any help with your ordering or any ideas. And I also got the, turn around the right way, timeless label punch. That's a really cool one. I like that because it's a timeless label. You can use it for so many things. And here I am again. Hello. And I've got the 2.25 inch punch as well. I just decided to get the circles. I missed out on getting the other circles last time. They did have a few more, but then don't have them anymore. And I was wanting to use the 1-inch punch for something, but I can't get a 1-inch anymore. So I thought I'll grab the others while they're there. And these are some blends. I just decided to get some more blends. And the colour is on them somewhere. Inside the middle. Here we go. Bermuda Bay. So you get one light and one dark in the set when you buy them like that. And I've also got a, what's this one? Trying to find the colours. Dark shaded spruce. Whoops, hang on. And light shaded spruce. So I thought that would be good for some of my Christmas cards. I'm going to make a few more yet. I've still got a few more to go. And then we've got the Pacific Point cardstock. Beautiful blue. Look at that. Yummy. Yummy. And you always get a thank you in the box with your order and to check everything off against your order sheet. So there's my unboxing for today. Thanks for joining me and happy stamping. Ciao.